I was fortunate enough to have a lot of older upperclassmen student mentors when I came into Purdue. I was emailed basically saying, hey, we have industry mentors. Do you want one? And I said, absolutely.
The main thing was Jennifer's energy, because I think we have similar energy. And so, and also drive to accomplish things, or, have a tendency to get into too many things at once. And, the fact that we shared a lot of experiences, we could kind of understand the challenges, the ups and downs of all of that. And so it was kind of therapeutic for me too, always just sharing experiences.
Asking questions about things that I may be struggling with and seeing how others may have experienced the same issues.
I wanted to give back to Purdue as much as I could. And I remembered, it's been a long time, but I do remember my days at Purdue. And there was a lot about engineering that I didn't know and really couldn't get through classes. It's really hard. And since I've lived a lot of years in engineering and learned a lot of that, I thought I could give back. And it was things that I would have wanted to know, would have helped me when I was going through school. And I wanted to be able to give that to the students.
I prefer to keep it a little bit more casual. Most of the time we just talked about our lives and what was stressing us out the most that week. And then I was able to learn a lot from both of their experiences and how they handle all the things that are going on in their life, and then giving me advice on what I can do now.
Mentoring and giving back has always been really important to me as a person. And I can see the benefit that mentors have had on my life. And so I'm always very interested to help give back. How can I make it that much better for those that come after me? Because I know that there's always been significant work of those that have gone before me that I benefit from. So, kind of thinking about that massive pipeline, it's like my little piece or my contribution in that. It's not that much time, and it's, Jennifer and I have, we met every other week or so. I got a lot out of the sessions, so it wasn't ever a burden to be a part of it.
There are a lot of things that you don't know. Scheduled time to talk with somebody in experience who's done the things that you've done, seeing their experience of how they went through that path. It can help arm you for the obstacles ahead.
Sometimes you just need a cheerleader, as you said, in the background that's like, yes, you can do it. And so having these people to bounce ideas off of that have been there and they've done that and they know the sort of things that you're going up against, it's really helpful to just hear from people that have done it before. I'm standing on the shoulders of giants.
I very much look forward to the sessions. Look back, remember what you went through, and if you can help them navigate just a little better, how much better do our engineers now coming out of school when they have that extra experience, right? So giving and saying, here, I can help, and this will help Purdue, and it'll help these students, and it'll help the industry, all of the above. Why would you not want to do something like that?